First, you have to connect the VCDS cable to the OBD2 port of your car and to your laptop. Then, turn the key in the second position, open your laptop and click on VCDS software and select control module, central electric. Then you go on coding 07, we click on long coding helper, and here we go on byte 12 and select coming home timer and the coming home mode. These are bit 0 and bit 2. Then we go on byte 17 and here we select bit 5, which is coming home active. Then we close the window, do it, coding accepted, okay. We close the window, close controller, go back and exit. Now we will see how the coming home function is working after we set it up. So we leave the headlight switch on. Then we turn off the ignition, remove the key from the ignition, operate the headlight flasher for approximately 1 second. Then from the outside we see the operation. We operate the headlight flasher for approximately 1 second. Okay, we open the driver door and get out of the car, and now we close the door and the lights will turn off after 10 seconds or more depending on your timer setup.